Okay, dear student, the continuation of it is 2.7 exercise. Question number 3. If x1 plus I into y1 into x2 plus I into y2 into x3 plus I into y3 into etc. xn plus it is I into yn, that is equal to a plus I, it is b. So, it is given and we want to show that it is the product of the number x1 square plus it is y1 square into x2 square plus y2 square etc. It is xn square plus yn square, that is equal to a square plus it is b square. And also second one, it is summation of it is r takes value 1 to n tan inverse of y r by x r, that is equal to tan inverse of it is b by a plus 2k pi, k belongs to the integer, that we want to prove, two statement. Now first one, come to the first one. So what is given? Given that it is complex number x1 plus it is I into y1 into it is x2 plus it is I into y2 into etc. xn plus it is I into yn, that is equal to a plus it is ib. So now we want to take it is modulus on both sides. We want to take it is modulus on both sides. Modulus on it is both sides, that is equal to modulus of it is a plus it is I, it is b. Now just it is writing off it is all the modulus, separating of modulus. Modulus of it is x1 plus it is I into y1 into it is x2 plus it is I into y2 into it is x it is 3 plus it is I into y, it is 3 plus it is into it is etc. Last term modulus of xn plus it is I into y, it is n, that is equal to modulus of it is a plus it is I into b. Taking modulus on both sides, separating of it is modulus by applying of what property? Product property, modulus of z1, z2, that is equal to modulus of z1 into modulus of z2. Apply this property to separating of all it is complex numbers separately. Now just we have to take modulus for the first one. Square root of it is real term equal to x1. Therefore, it is x1 square plus y1 real imaginary term equal to y1, it is y1 square into square root of similarly second one it is x2 square plus it is y2 square into etc. The last term it is taking off it is modulus of last term, so modulus of xn plus I into yn equal to real term equal to xn square plus it is imaginary term equal to yn, it is square, that is equal to take a modulus for right hand side equation, square root of it is real term equal to a, it is a square plus imaginary term equal to b, it is b square. So now we want to remove this square root, on taking off it is square on it is by both sides, square on both sides, therefore square root of it is a square plus it is b square. Now just multiply in the bracket, separating of each one of the term, it is square root of it is x1 square plus it is y1 square, it is whole square into it is x2 it is square plus it is y2 square, it is whole square root of etc. It is square root of it is xn square plus it is yn square, it is whole square, that is equal to square root of it is a square plus it is b square, it is whole square. Now square root will cancel, it is equal to a square plus b square, it is right hand side equation. Similarly, it is all the square roots are it is cancelled, the remaining it is x1 square plus it is y1 square into second term it is x2 square plus it is y2 square etc. into it is xn square plus it is yn, it is square. Therefore, it is first one we want to prove x1 square plus y1 square into x2 square plus y2 square plus into etc. xn square plus yn square, yn whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square. That is first, it is proof. Then come to second one, again it is given that it is same, it is term and taking argument on both sides, therefore argument of it is total, it is bracket, that is equal to argument of it is a plus it is I, it is b. Now just bring this inside the bracket by applying a property, argument of it is z1 plus it is z1 into z2 that is equal to argument of it is z1 plus it is argument of it is z2, this property. Argument of z1 into z2 that is equal to argument of z1 plus it is argument of z2. So if you multiply into the bracket as argument, it becomes it is argument of it is x1 plus I into it is y1 plus it is argument of it is x2 plus it is I into y2 plus it is etc. The last term it is argument of it is xn plus it is I into yn, and that is equal to argument of it is a plus it is I into b. Okay. Now it is, we want to take it as argument value. Argument means what? Argument taking of z that is equal to x plus it is I into y. Therefore it is argument of z that is equal to tan it is inverse of it is y by it is x. It is called argument formula. Argument of z equal to tan inverse of it is y by it is x. Now it is taking first term, it is argument equal to a complex number equal to x1 plus I y1, and taking off it is argument of this number, that is become it is tan inverse of it is y is called y1, x is called it is x1, and plus it is second term argument equal to tan it is inverse of it is y2 by it is x2, and plus it is etc. The last term is equal to tan it is inverse of y is called it is yn by x is called it is x it is n, and that is equal to right hand side equation argument equal to tan it is inverse of it is b, y is called it is b, and x is called it is a. Now it is right as it is summation applying of its general formula. The argument of it is argument of z that is equal to argument of it is principal argument of z plus it is 2k it is pi, and k belongs to it is integer. The general form means it is called argument of z is capital A. It is represented argument of it is principal value. If you write as general form equal argument of z equal, just we have to add this 2k pi to argument, and k belongs to integer. Therefore it is write in general form equal to, it is equal to it is tan it is inverse of it is b by it is a, plus it is 2k it is pi, 2k it is pi, and k belongs to integer. Now left hand side equation, write summation form. Summation it is r takes value 1 to n, it is tan it is inverse of y r by it is x it is r, and that is equal to this it is term. Because it is put r value equal to 1, tan inverse of y1 by x1, plus it is put r value equal to tan inverse of y2 by x2 etc. Put n by r value equal to n, tan inverse of it is yn by xn, and that is equal to tan inverse of b by a, plus it is 2k pi, k belongs to integer. Because of it is general form, we applying of it is adding it is argument with it is 2k pi. By applying a formula, argument of z equal to argument of z, capital A represent it is argument is called principal argument. It is a particular case, and in general we can add this theta with 2k pi, and k belongs to integer. Okay, come to next one, fourth one. If it is 1 plus z by 1 minus z, that is equal to cos 2 theta plus I into sin 2 theta, then show that it is z equal to I into tan theta. That we want to prove. Now let us given what is given 1 plus z by 1 minus z, that is equal to cos it is 2 theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 it is theta, and just it is transfer the term right hand side equation. 1 plus z that is equal to 1 minus z into it is cos it is 2 theta plus I into it is sin it is 2 theta. Just multiply ordinary multiplication. Multiply 1 with this term, that is equal to 1 into it is cos it is 2 it is theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 theta, multiply 1, and then it is minus into plus minus z into cos it is 2 it is theta, then plus into minus it is I into z into sin it is 2 theta. Left hand side equation 1 plus z. Now collecting of z's are in the one side, so this z term transfer one side, and this it has z term to right hand side, come to transfer to left hand side equation. This constant term transfer right hand side equation. Already we have z in the left hand side, and then minus become plus it is z into cos it is 2 it is theta, minus it is plus it is I into z into sin it is 2 it is theta, that is equal to, and this term it is cos it is 2 theta remaining, plus it is I into sin it is 2 theta also remaining, then plus will become minus it is 1. Now we want to take it as commonly as z terms are it is common, therefore take commonly z, it is 1 plus cos it is 2 it is theta plus I into sin it is 2 theta, and that is equal to minus 1 plus it is cos it is 2 theta plus I into sin it is 2 theta, that is remaining. Now just this term transfer to right hand side equation. Therefore, left hand side we have it is z, it is minus, it is 1 plus cos 2 theta plus I into sin, it is 2 theta remaining in the numerator by denominator equal to 1 plus cos, it is 2, it is theta plus I into sin, it is 2 theta remaining. Now, we apply a formula. We know it is cos square theta, that is equal to 1 plus it is cos, it is 2 theta by it is 2. Just transfer the term, 2 time of it is cos square theta equal to 1 plus it is cos, it is 2 theta. Again it is another, it is 1, it is sin square it is theta equal to 1 minus it is cos, it is 2 theta by it is 2. Just transfer, it is 2 time of it is sin square it is theta equal to 1 minus it is cos, it is 2 theta as next one. Now look at this one, we have to apply here, it is 1 plus cos 2 theta, right, as it is what, 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 time of it is cos square it is theta. Now here it is, take a minus, it is common from this 2 term, that is equal to, take minus it is commonly, 1 minus of it is cos it is 2 theta plus I into sin it is 2 theta by it is 1 plus it is cos 2 theta plus it is I into sin it is 2 theta, correct? So now instead of this it is 1 minus cos 2 theta, just we want to replace the term is called 2 time of it is sin square theta, and instead of it is term of it is 1 plus it is cos 2 theta, we want to replace it is 2 time of it is cos square theta. Again it is sin it is 2 theta, sin 2 theta equal to 2 time of it is sin theta into cos theta. Now replace this terms here, it is equal to minus within the bracket of 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos theta we can write as what? 2 time of it is sin square it is theta. Then it is plus it is I into sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to 2 time of sin theta into cos theta. 2 time of it is sin it is theta into it is cos theta by again 1 plus it is cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 time of it is cos square theta. 2 time of it is cos square it is theta, then plus I into sin 2 theta equal to 2 time of it is sin theta into it is cos theta. Correct? Now what we want to do? Comparing it is this one, we have to correct in common terms. 2 it is common, sin theta is common in the numerator, and 2 it is common, cos theta is common. Take it is numerator 2 time of it is sin theta is take commonly, remaining minus one more sign, minus it is sin it is theta plus it is I into, and 2 is out, sin is out, remaining it is cos it is theta remaining in the numerator. Then by again taking out denominator is called 2 into cos theta we can take commonly, 2 cos theta take it out, one more it is cos is here, it is cos it is theta plus I into 2 cos will out, remaining it is sin theta, it is sin theta is remaining denominator. So it is 2 to r it is cancel, that is equal to sin it is theta into it is minus it is sin it is theta plus it is I into it is cos theta by it is cos it is theta into it is cos it is theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta, that is remaining. Now just we want to remove it is a term. See here it is cos theta plus I sin theta, here minus sin theta plus I cos theta. So just we have to remove this term, we have to multiply by it is I and multiply by it is I in this equation. That is equal to it is sin it is theta by it is cos theta as it is, and then numerator it is term, just multiply inside the bracket, the denominator multiply inside the bracket, numerator I keep it is as it is, and then that is equal to what is multiply it is inside the bracket, minus it is sin it is theta plus it is I into it is cos theta, numerator as it is, and multiply here within the bracket I into cos theta, I into it is cos it is theta, I into I it is I square, it is called minus 1, it is minus it is sin it is theta. Now it is look at that minus sin theta plus it is I into cos theta plus I cos theta, both are same term are cancelled, and that is equal to sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta into I, therefore I into it is tan it is theta, and that is called it is z value. So now we want to prove the given it is z equal to I into tan theta. Next one it is de Moivre's series theorem. In this series theorem, the de Moivre's series theorem, it is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power it is n. and bring this power it is n, inside it is the complex number to multiply with the argument only. That is the theorem. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, we can rewrite as it is cos n theta plus I into sin it is n theta. So just it is bring the power to multiply it to argument only. Argument called here it is theta. So cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n, we can rewrite as cos n theta plus I into sin n theta. It is called, it is the theorem says. Now applying of it is same, it is property, then find out sum of the note cos theta minus I sin theta whole power n, and that is equal to bring this it is power into the bracket, it become it is cos it is multiply with the theta it is n theta minus it is I into sin it is n theta. Then cos theta plus I into sin theta whole power minus it is n to multiply inside the bracket this cos minus n theta minus it is n theta become it is plus n theta, because of cos it is minus it is theta, that is equal to plus it is cos theta. But it is sin it is minus it is theta, that is equal to minus it is sin theta. Therefore, if you multiply this minus n to theta, it becomes sin of it is minus n, so it become minus it is sin n theta will come. And then cos theta minus I sin theta whole power it is n, again multiply to argument cos of minus n theta become plus it is cos it is n theta, then it is minus, then multiply it is minus n to argument it is sin minus of n theta become it is minus it is n theta minus become plus it is I into sin n theta will come. The last one is important, it is important one, sin theta plus I cos theta we can rewrite as it is I into cos theta minus I into sin theta. Just it is multiply into the bracket, it is I into it is cos theta, then I into I it is I square value equal to minus plus it is sin it is theta. Therefore, it is sin theta plus I cos theta, we can write as it is I into cos theta minus I into sin theta. So if you write as it is sin theta plus I cos theta as it is I into cos theta minus I sin theta, it is a form of this one. And using this it is theorem, we can solve some of the sum here. Okay, using this it is d mu s it is theorem to solve the sum. Question number 5, this sum it is in the exercise number 2.7 and based on this theorem only. So if it is cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma, that is equal to sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to 0. These two terms are it is equal to 0. Then we want to show that the first one it is cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma, that is equal to 3 times of cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma, and it is sin it is 3 alpha plus sin 3 beta plus sin it is 3 gamma equal to 3 times of sin of it is alpha plus beta plus gamma we want to prove. Now here it is, let us consider it is A, that is equal to cos it is alpha plus I into sin it is alpha, then B, that is equal to cos it is beta plus it is I into sin it is beta, then C, that is equal to cos it is gamma plus I into sin it is gamma. Just it is take a 3 term A, B, C. So now we want to adding of 3 terms, it is A plus B plus C, that is equal to it is cos it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha A plus it is cos it is beta plus it is I into sin it is beta is called B plus it is cos it is gamma plus I into sin it is gamma, it is C. A, B, C. Now what we have to collect? Collecting of real term. Therefore it is cos it is alpha plus it is cos it is beta plus it is cos it is gamma real term plus it is I is common, take I is commonly, and imaginary terms are it is sin it is alpha, then plus it is sin it is beta plus it is sin it is gamma. So now what is that? It is given sum of the 3 term that is equal to 0. Therefore this sum of the term equal to 0 plus I into sum of this term also it is 0. Therefore simply 0 is called, it is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 0. Now we know the formula. It is A cube plus it is B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, that is equal to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C into it is A square plus it is B square plus it is C square minus it is AB minus BC minus it is CA. It is cubical, it is formed. a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So, using this it is formula, if it is a plus b plus c, if we obtain is equal to 0, therefore this term equal to 0, therefore 0 into this bracket 0, totally left hand side become it is 0 only. Therefore, what is that? It is a cube plus it is b cube plus it is c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to 0. Now, just transfer this term, it is a cube plus it is b cube plus it is c cube, that is equal to 3abc. So, we know what is a, what is b, what is c. Replace it is abc value here. What is a? It is cos it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha whole power it is 3, a power 3 plus it is b. Cos it is beta plus it is I into sin it is beta whole power it is 3 plus it is c square. Cos it is gamma plus I into sin it is gamma whole power 3, and that is equal to left hand side equation 3 times of abc. Cos it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha a into cos it is beta plus it is I into sin it is beta into it is cos it is gamma plus I into sin it is gamma. 3 times of a, b, c. Here it is a square plus it is b square plus it is c square. Now applying of it is a theorem, just bring the power inside the bracket, multiply to argument only. Therefore, what we have here it is cos it is 3 into alpha, 3 alpha plus I into sin it is 3 it is alpha plus again it is multiply it is cos it is 3 beta plus I into sin it is 3 it is beta. Again it is plus and bring the power it is within the bracket cos it is 3 gamma plus I into sin it is 3 it is gamma. The left hand side equation, that is equal right hand side equation 3 complex numbers are in the product. So, we know it is the product form of it is 2 complex number. What we want to do? Just adding of it is argument only. Therefore, what is argument here? Argument of first number is called it is alpha, argument of second number is called it is beta, argument of third number is called it is gamma. Therefore, 3 in the outside into it is cos of it is adding of it is argument alpha plus beta plus it is gamma plus I into, similarly it is sin of it is alpha plus beta plus gamma, it is alpha plus it is beta plus it is gamma. That is this term. Now, what we have left hand side equation, just collecting of it is real terms, 3 terms are real, cos 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos it is 3 gamma, the left hand side equation. Therefore, cos it is 3 alpha plus it is cos it is 3 beta plus it is cos it is 3 it is gamma, it is real term. Then it is plus it is I into imaginary terms are it is sin it is 3 alpha plus it is sin it is 3 beta plus it is sin it is 3 it is gamma, and that is equal to right hand side equation 3 times of it is cos it is alpha plus beta plus it is gamma plus I into it is I into 3 into sin of it is alpha plus beta plus it is gamma. That we get last equation from this one. And just collecting of real term plus imaginary term, that is equal to just multiply this 3 inside the bracket, it is 3 times of cos alpha plus beta plus gamma. Again it is 3 multiply with the term, it is 3i into sin of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Now what we want to do here, just it is equating, just it is equating real and it is imaginary these terms. What is real term, that is equal to 3 alpha plus cos it is 3 alpha plus cos 3 beta plus cos 3 gamma, that is equal to real term of right hand side equation equal to 3 times of it is cos of alpha plus beta plus gamma. Just write equating real term, cos it is 3 alpha plus it is cos it is 3 beta plus it is cos it is 3 gamma. It is left hand side real term, the right hand side real term equal to 3 times of cos of it is alpha plus beta plus it is gamma. And equating the imaginary term, coefficient of imaginary term is what? This one is called imaginary left hand side equation. Therefore, sin it is 3 alpha plus it is 3 it is beta plus it is sin it is 3 it is gamma. It is left hand side equation of imaginary. Right hand side equation of imaginary is equal to what? This term, it is 3 times of it is sin of it is alpha plus beta plus it is gamma. This we want to prove in this equation. Okay, now example number 2.29, simplify sin it is pi by it is 6 plus I into cos it is pi by 6 whole power 8. Simplify the equation. And this it is a term in the form of it is sin it is theta plus I into it is cos theta is equal to, we can write I into it is cos it is theta minus I into it is sin it is theta. Just multiply I into cos it is called I into cos theta, this term plus, then I into I it is I square value equal to minus plus it is sin theta, this one. Therefore, this it is sin theta plus I cos theta, we can rewrite in the form of I into cos theta minus I into sin theta. Therefore, given it is term sin it is pi by it is 6 plus I into it is cos it is pi by it is 6 whole power it is 18, that is equal to, convert the term is called I into cos it is theta, here it is pi by 6, it is pi by it is 6 minus I into sin it is pi by it is 6, then it is whole power it is 18 as it is. Now just bring the 18 inside the bracket, that is equal to I power it is 18 into this it is term it is cos it is pi by it is 6 minus I into sin it is pi by it is 6 whole power it is 18. Now multiply it is 18, convert it is a term it is 18 as it is powers of it is 4. It is what it is 18 is divided by it is 4 and it is 4 time it is 16 remainder equal to 2. Therefore, it is, we can write I power it is 18 is equal to I power it is 4 whole power it is 4 into it is I square. That is called 16 plus 2 is called I square. And I square value equal to what? It is 1 power it is 4 into it is I square. Now that is equal to 1 into I square value equal to minus it is 1, that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, this term it become it is minus 1. That is equal to minus 1 into, now it is bring the power inside the bracket, multiply the, it is power is called n multiplied to argument. Therefore, this 18 multiplied to pi by it is 6. Therefore, cos it is 18, it is pi by it is 6 minus I into sin it is 18, it is pi by it is 6. Just cancel the term, it is 3 times, it is cancel the term, it is 3 times. Then what next? That is equal to minus in the outside. Within the bracket it is cos it is 3, it is pi minus I into sin it is 3 pi remaining. So just it is find the value of it is cos 3 pi. Cos it is 3, it is pi, it is equal to cos it is 2 pi plus it is pi, plus it is pi. We can write 3 pi as a 2 pi plus it is pi. Now it is called supplementary. Supplementary cos become it is same, it is cos and it is pi, it is called theta, right as it is pi as it is. Now what is cos pi? It is pi, cos pi equal to minus it is 1. Cos pi equal to minus 1. And similarly find sin it is all the product of it is pi value equal to 0 only. Therefore, it is sin it is pi, that is equal to sin it is 2 pi, that is equal to sin it is 3 pi, etc. All the pi's are it is sin, product of it is sin, so product of it is pi, product of it is pi, all the product value become it is 0 only. Therefore, it is equal to minus of within the bracket of this term obtained it is minus 1 minus I into this term obtained it is 0, that is equal to minus of it is minus 1, that is equal to plus it is 1. Okay, see the next example 2.28. If z equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, then we want to show that z power n plus it is 1 by z power n, that is equal to 2 times of cos n theta, z power n minus it is 1 by z power n, that is equal to 2i into sin it is n by n, it is theta, that we want to prove. Now let us consider what is given. Given z that is equal to cos it is theta plus it is I into sin it is theta z. Now first we want to find out z power n. Z power it is n, that is equal to cos theta plus it is I into it is sin it is theta whole power it is n. Now we know it applying of it is de Moivre's it is theorem to bring the it is power inside the bracket to multiply with the argument only. Therefore multiply it is n into theta. Therefore it is cos it is n theta plus it is I into, similarly it is n theta, it is called z power it is n. Next find out as it is 1 by it is z power n. Therefore 1 by z power n, that is equal to z power n whole power it is minus 1. So denominator term can write numerator term, it is whole power it is minus 1. So we know it is z power n term, what is that? Cos it is n theta plus I into it is sin it is n theta whole power it is minus 1. So if you multiply it is the power it is n to argument, it became it is cos it is n theta and it is 1 into it is minus it is 1, that is equal to cos it is minus it is n theta and that is equal to plus it is cos it is n theta. and sine it is n theta multiply with minus it is 1, that is equal to sine it is minus it is n theta if you product the value, and that is equal to sine minus theta equal to minus it is sine it is theta equal to n theta. Therefore, it is if you multiply it is minus inside bracket, cos become plus, sine become minus. Therefore, it is cos it is n theta minus I into sine it is n theta. It is called 1 by it is z power it is n. So now what we want to do? We want to it is adding of it is a two term z power n and 1 plus z power n. So z power it is n plus it is 1 by it is z power n, that is equal to z power n equal to what? Cos it is n theta plus I into sin n theta is called z power n. Therefore, cos it is n it is theta plus I into sin it is n theta is called z power n plus z power it 1 by z power n equal to cos it is n it is theta minus I into sin it is n theta. Therefore, it is minus plus or both are it is cancelled, remaining it is two term, that is called it is 2 time of it is cos it is n it is theta. If you are separating off it is two term, that is called second one, z power it is n minus 1 by z power n, that is equal to first term minus it is second term. If you multiply the first term, it is cos it is n theta plus it is I into sin it is n theta, and then it is minus into plus it is minus it is cos it is n theta, and minus into minus become plus it is I into it is sin n it is theta. Therefore, plus minus both are it is cancel. Finally, we get it is 2 time of it is I into sin n theta. Sin it is n theta. That we want to prove the second one. So, first one, second one. Okay, see the next exercise number it is 2.8, question number it is 4, related to the previous series example. Now, if it is cos 2 time of it is cos alpha, that is equal to x plus 1 by x. 2 time of cos alpha, that is equal to x plus 1 by x. 2 time of it is cos beta equal to y by 1 by it is y. Then first one it is we have 4 subdivision, just one by one we can see. First one it is x by y plus it is y by x, that is equal to 2 time of cos of alpha it is minus it is beta. Okay, now consider what is given. First one it is given that it is 2 time of it is cos alpha, that is equal to it is x plus it is 1 by x. Just it is take common denominator x into x square plus it is 1 by it is x, and 2 time of it is cos it is alpha, left hand side equation, just it is transfer the term. It is 2 time of it is x into it is cos alpha, that is equal to x square plus it is 1. Just transfer this term to right hand side equation. Therefore, x square minus it is 2x into it is cos alpha, and then plus it is 1, that is equal to 0. So, it is a quadratic form. So, here it is a, here it is a that is equal to 1, then it is b equal to minus it is 2 into cos it is alpha, then c equal to 1. So, a equal to quotient of x square is called a, and quotient of it is x term is called minus 2 into cos alpha, and c is called it is 1. Now, we applying of it is formula, applying of quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of it is b square minus 4 ac by it is 2 into a. That is equal to what is b here? Minus 2 into cos theta, minus into minus become plus 2 cos alpha, 2 time of it is cos alpha plus it is plus or minus square root of it is b equal to minus 2 it is cos alpha, it is whole square, minus it is 4 into a value equal to 1, and c also it is 1 by it is square root 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 into cos it is alpha plus or minus square root of, bring the power inside the bracket, is 4 time of it is cos square it is alpha minus it is 4 by it is 2. That is equal to 2 time of it is cos alpha plus or minus the square root of it can take it is minus it is 4, it is take commonly. From this 2 term it is take minus 4 within the bracket, it is minus become plus it is 1, and minus become plus it is minus become plus it is cos it is square it is alpha by it is 2. So, therefore, it is we know it is sin square it is theta equal to 1 minus it is cos square it is theta. Therefore, 1 minus cos square we can write sin square, that is equal to 2 time of it is sin alpha plus or minus the square root of it is minus 4 into this term we can write as sin it is square it is alpha by it is 2. So, we can write 2 2 it is 4, we can write 1 2 outside, and minus it is 1 into sin it is alpha. Therefore, it is equal to 2 into cos it is alpha plus or minus we can take it is 2 1 outside, Therefore, 2 into square root of it is minus 1 into it is sin square it is alpha by it is 2. Therefore, it is we can write take a sin square, we can write sin alpha with outside, that is equal to 2 time of cos it is alpha plus or minus 2 into sin it is alpha minus root of it is minus 1, we can say it is called I. Therefore, into I by it is 2. We can take it as 2 it is commonly. Therefore, it is cos alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha by common denominator equal to 2. Therefore, 2 2 are cancelled, that is equal to cos it is alpha plus I into sin it is alpha, and that is called it is x value. Plus or minus we can take positive value only, we can take positive value, plus or minus we can take positive value, x equal to cos alpha plus I into sin alpha. Now, what we want to prove? X by y plus y by x. So, now we want to find out as y term. So, what is y term? Instead of it is x, 2 time of it is cos alpha, that is equal to x plus 1 by x. In the second equation, 2 time of cos beta plus that is equal to y plus it is 1 by y. Instead of it is alpha, we have it is beta. Instead of x, we have it is y. Therefore, similarly, no need to try it is again. Similarly, y is equal to cos it is beta plus I into it is sin it is beta. Because it is difference between of first equation, second equation, first equation alpha, the corresponding it is variable equal to x, and second equation argument equal to beta, the corresponding it is variable that is equal to y. Therefore, it is y equal to cos beta plus I sin beta. Now, just we want to find out first it is subdivision. Okay, now we want to prove x by y plus it is y by x, that is equal to 2 time of cos of alpha minus beta. So, already we obtained the value of x and y. So, now we want to find out first term, it is x by it is y, that is equal to x into y power it is minus 1. The denominator term convert to numerator form, it is y power minus 1, that is equal to what is x? Cos it is alpha plus it is I into sin it is alpha, it is called x, into what is y? Cos it is beta plus it is I into sin it is beta whole power minus 1. Just it is multiply the power inside bracket become minus, cos always plus, it is sin only minus. That is equal to cos it is alpha plus I into sin it is alpha into it is cos it is beta minus plus it is I into sin it is minus it is beta. So, now the two complex numbers are, here also we can write minus bar for proving if it is alpha minus beta. Therefore, we can write as it is cos it is minus it is beta. If you multiply again it is cos, it become plus. So, keep as it is. Because it is we want to get the term is called it is alpha minus beta. Therefore, first term is called it is cos alpha plus I sin alpha, and second term is called cos minus beta plus I into sin minus beta. Now, the two complex numbers are in the product form. What we want to do? We want to adding of it is argument. Therefore, it is cos of it is argument is called it is alpha here, argument called it is minus beta here. Therefore, alpha minus beta plus I into sin it is alpha minus it is beta, that is called it is x by it is y. Next term what we want to find, it is y by x. Therefore, y by it is x, that is equal to 1 by x by it is y. The numerator term it comes denominator again denominator. This it is total term convert in numerator form, x by it is y whole power it is minus it is 1. Y by x we want to find, that is equal to 1 by x by y. Numerator terms comes denominator again denominator, that is called 1 by x by y. Again it is x by y convert numerator form, x by y whole power it is minus 1. Now, already we obtained it is x by y, it is called cos of it is alpha minus beta plus I into sin of alpha minus, just replace here. It is equal to cos of it is alpha minus it is beta plus it is I into sin of it is alpha minus beta whole power it is minus it is 1. Now, this minus multiply to it is a middle term, that is equal to cos alpha minus it is beta minus I into sin of it is alpha minus beta. So, this called it is y by it is x, y by it is x. Now, what we want to prove? X by it is y plus it is y by x, that is equal to x by y this term, y by x this term. So, if you adding up this, it is equation, one is plus, another is minus, both plus term minus term to cancel, and therefore it is plus it is cos it is 2, cos of it alpha minus beta, plus it is of it is alpha minus beta, therefore 2 terms, therefore it is 2 time of it is cos of it is alpha minus beta, that we obtain the first subdivision x by y plus y by y equal to 2 time of cos of it is alpha minus beta. Similarly, we can follow the second, third, fourth subdivision that we will see in the next video. Thank you one and all.